In today's oil and gas industry, many factors can have a dramatic effect on a desired outcome, but one product, the WC Welding Mudvent valve, or MVV, can influence multiple performance indicators, such as safety, efficiency, and cost savings. Let's look at safety first. In the drilling operations, when a connection is made, the mud pumps are disengaged and pressure starts to relieve to a level so that a rig employee can utilize a handlebar and manually open the valve to bleed off the residual pressure. Once this is completed, the next connection can be made, then the valve will be manually closed. This process can take place hundreds of times each day. However, with the WC Welding Mudvent valve, this operation is in the control of the driller, who decides when to open the valve, since the valve can be opened at a much higher pressure than can be done manually. Now let us investigate efficiency. Using the WC Welding Mudvent valve, the driller can safely open the valve when he chooses and continues connection operations. As soon as the connection is made, the driller can safely close the bleed-off valve and resume operations to start drilling almost immediately. Finally, let's briefly look at cost savings. Each operator will have to insert their own numbers, but on average, the WC Welding Mudvent valve can save at least 1 minute per connection. When conducting normal operations, bit trips, surveys, or other required procedures, time will be gained back by not having to wait for a manual valve operation. Another performance application for the WC Welding Mudvent valve is being utilized on the BOP stack, specifically on the fill line. Conventionally, an employee must utilize safety procedures and equipment to position themselves under the rig to manually open a ball valve to fill the BOP stack with desired fluids. With the WC Welding Mudvent valve, this process is the simple flip of a switch to remotely and automatically open and close the valve as needed to introduce any desired fluids into the BOP.